with my convictions. For now I'll contemplate what it is to grow in vision. I want to feel alive. I want to feel alive.
5 years ago, nung nag-uusap pa lang tayo, sinabi ko sa'yo na kung ikaw yung giging girlfriend ko, protect kita sa lahat, yung mga hard days mo.
I tried to find division. Two sides in a storm seem controlled by contradiction.
Ngayon, kinasal na tayo, hindi lang kita poprotektahan, kundi yung magiging future mga anak natin. Dahil asawa na kita ngayon, dahil kang sumunod sa akin.
Feel alive.
Na-appreciate ko yung lahat ng effort mo, especially sa family ko din. Nakikita ko lahat yun. I want you to be my light of my life.
Love, nearly 5 years ago, who would have thought na habang trip ko lang maglaro sa phone, doon ko pala makikilala yung taong makakasama ko habang buwan. Hindi ko alam kung paano ko sasabihin lahat ng nararamdaman ko ngayon. Pero sisimulan ko sa salamat.
Watching lights beyond the stars. Those dazzling heights too fast to climb.
That is still a painful story. How it is. Because first and foremost, marriage is a vocation. It is a calling for God that you are called to cross your paths and be called to be with one another in this sacrament for marriage.
Falling, spirit soaring. I touch the sky when my knees hit the ground.
Salamat sa pagmamahal na walang hinihinging kapalit. Salamat sa pagiging masaga, pagiging matatag, at sa pagtanggap sa akin kahit minsan alam ko naman hindi ako madaling mahalin. From this day forward, I promise I won't just be your wife. I'll be your teammate, your safe place, your biggest fan, like how I've always been.
I, Patricia, take you, Jerome, to be my husband. I promise to be faithful to you in good times and in bad, in sickness and in health, to love you and to honor you all the days of my life.
To love one another is sacrament of marriage, as they are called by God. And this love at the outset is an exclusive relation between the two of yourself. But as I said, this other love has a purpose, which is the agape.
Allah was thinking lupa is a good for the
I vow with all of my heart, it's you. It's always been you, and it will always be you. Padalasong smile.
the ground.